Hello, Assalamu alaikum. As you asked for solving the questions, so first of all, you need to study your whole lectures one by one slide. Read everything. Okay, so you will be able to solve the MCQs. Like for example, this the smallest storage location in a computer memory is known as a it is a bit. But if you see in your first lecture, here if I search smallest, see bit memory main memory agar nahi, bit is the smallest piece of memory. It is already written. So if we solve another question, what is the name of computer component that actually run programs and it's considered the most important part of the computer? Uh, Runs the program. Okay, so we search here again. See the part of the runs the program. See, the CPU is the part of the computer that actually runs the program. So CPU is the main which actually run the program. Okay, so that's how you can solve the questions. Now another question, in a print statement you can set the arguments to space or empty string to stop the output from advancing to a new line. So it's actually a end. So we can see it. You can if you study this lectures, you will get everything. Okay. So the new line probably in this lecture, new line character C and delimiter used to define the end line. Okay, so this is how you can study, but I'm solving MCQs with you. So it's third MCQ's answer is the new line and sorry and the B. And now second paper, write the Python statement to assign 4.5 to a variable name tax. So it's a simple you can open VS Code. What you can do in the in this question, you simply need to write a simple statement in which you can assign a variable the value. Okay, so just read the question carefully and then do that. And what was the question? Question is write a Python statement to assign 4.5 to a variable named tax. You just need to do this tax equal to 4.5. You just need to this. Okay, nothing else. Okay. Now another question. It is also in the lectures. If you see the variable, if you search the variable, you will get the this. See, this is the value equal to 10. This is how you assign the value to the variable. any value to the variable. What is the result of the following Boolean expression given that x equal to 5, y equal to 3, and z equal to 8? There are two ways of doing this. If you have the paper, you can do that. Okay. You if you have a computer, if you don't have a computer, you can simply what you will do. Uh, you will solve step by step. See, put the values. First of all, put the values. Put the values like uh, not, and what is x? X is 5 less than y. Y, what is y? 3. And then or z. Z is 8 greater than 5. Then and y, what is the value of y? It is 3. It is less than z. Z is 8. So you know the expressions of the boolean, like in our condition, if both side left, if here is a x and here is a y, if both side are true or any one side is true, then this will return true. Okay. But the in the end, if both sides are true, then it will return the true, otherwise it will not return the true. In this case, let's see what's this. Is 3 less than 8? Yes, it's true. Break down. Break down the whole statement. Means this is true. Okay. Now from this, not 5 greater than 5 less than 3. No, it's false. Or 8 greater than 5. Yes, true. Okay. So this is from here. Now this is how I break it. Okay. So what this will result? False or true? It will return true because our condition is there. Any one of them is true, then it will return true. Okay. And this keep this same. This is how you will solve this. Okay. Not true means it is false. Not true, it will become a false. False and true. And false and true, what this will return? It will return false because there is a end condition. If anyone is false, then it will be false. For this whole condition to be a true, both sides should be a true. Okay, this is how you will solve this. So this condition is false. Okay, this condition is false. Now, in a flowchart diagram, the dash dash symbol is used to show a Boolean expression condition. Condition in a flowchart diagram, condition is shown by the diamond. Diamond. If you search in the flowchart, which repetition structure in this it will be. If I search here, flowchart. See here flowchart. If you study all lectures, you will get the uh, good marks and can solve it easily. Okay, so here it will be written samples. These samples are written. See, diamond shape is used for uh, condition. You can also search diamond condition for a loop. It will be somewhere. It will be written. But condition is written in the diamond. Okay. Now, other question. Which of the following is not an augmented assignment operator? What are the assignment operators actually? These three are the assignment operators. The fourth one is not. Fourth one is used to compare. Okay. This is also you will get from the lectures. So how is it that notepad? So I can have a int equal to 5 means what is the value of the 5, just multiply it with a 5. For example, here a a was initially it was 5 2, though then a will become 5 into 2 10. A will be 5 into 10. So this is the assignment operator with, if I put divide, then it will divide 2 by 5. Then put the value into the A. If I will put plus, then it will add both values. 2 plus 7 for 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Then A will become a 7. These are the assignment operators, all these. But this is the conditional operator, means it is a comparison we can do, compare less than equal to. Okay, then a loop that repeats a specific number of time is called a sentinel loop. It is a sentinel loop in which we have specified the number of loop, how many number of loop it will run. Okay, so if we check here, repeat. There are two type of loops, full while loop and for loop. In the while loop, sometimes we don't put the how much statements it will run, but in the for loop we put. So here it will be written. Mhm. This condition control loop. In other words, we can say it condition control loop. The loop uses condition to control the number of times repeats. It is called condition control. The counter control loop repeats a specific number of times in Python for a statement. And another is the counter control loop. If you see the question, it meets the second counter control loop. It meets the second condition. A loop that repeats a specific number of times is called a counter control loop. Okay. Now in a other question. In this, it is as what is a group of statements that exist within a group program for the purpose of performing a specific task. A group of statements that exists within a program for the purpose of performing a specific task. It's called a function. Function have the specific group of statements. Okay, in the slides function you will get the definition, exact same, a group of statements within the program that perform the specific task. See, so if you read the slides carefully, you will get all answers one by one. And the function header begins with the keyword. It become def. It is also written def and is followed with a name. You see here, Here it will be written here DEF. It is start with the DEF. Okay, def function name. Right. And another, which statement you can be used to handle some of routines, error, exceptions, and it's a simple try except. If you it's also you will find in the lecture, files and exception. Try except, it will be the try except. Mhm. If you go in the try and accept, research it. This is the try and accept. It's code response when the condition accept. Simply, it's a try and accept, which used to handle the uh, errors. Okay. A file from which data is read is called an a file from which data is read is called an. You can also check it. This input file. A file from which data is read. It is called an input file. Okay. It's called a input file. Now, which method is used to place an item at a specific index in a list? At a in specific index in a list. You can open the list lecture. This list lecture. Insert. Insert item into list. Specify the index when the item is inserted in a list. See, insert is used to put a item in a specified index. Okay. And another is a library you can use in a Python to create a two-dimensional charts and graph. Which library is used to for the charts and graph? So it is you can find in I don't see it's in your lectures. Let me check. Chart. It's not in your lectures. Okay. The library that uses the charts and graph is let me check. It's actually a matplot library. A matplot library that is used to draw the charts. I did your code, I think. I remembered that. For that, I also used this library. See this library, this whole. You will write this whole. Okay. Matplot lib dot pyplot as a plt. Okay. And then there's a the dash dash method returns a true if the string contains only numeric digits. Is uh, is numeric. If there is a method is numeric. If you go into the string here, you will find is numeric. Has uppercase, has a lowercase. Where it went. C is lower is digit. Is digit will return true. Is digit method will return true if it contains only numbers, only digits. Okay. What is a Python string method to find a substring? Find substring. What does the Python string does? Finds returns the number of times the substring appears, returns the lowest index of the substring, or -1 if not found. Replaces it's the B. Otherwise fall B or D. Let confirm it. So search here, find. Search is substring with the string and return the lowest index means the B. It is the B option. Okay. To add the single item to a site, you can use which method? In the set, open the set lecture, you will get it. This is the set. This is the set tuple. You didn't study the set. This is the set. Okay, these are the sets. Add methods and adds an element to the set. Okay, so you can use add method to add a single element into the set. Okay, to add a single items into the set, you can use the add method. Now, which would you use to get the number of elements in the dictionary? Which would you use to get the number of elements in a dictionary? Length, len, or size? You can also check it. I think it is a length. I mean len. This is the dictionary. In the dictionary, you can get len function used to obtain number of elements in the dictionary. Len. Okay. What will display after the following code is executed? So this is the array item in A R A B A to the x equal to item dot find slash. Okay. If item equal to a parent arb item slash x, what will this display? It will display the items after the slash. Okay. So I actually run this code. It results the Qatar. Okay. So what I did, what this code do, uh, this item iterates on the keys. What are the keys? A, B, C, D. If item equal to A, then what it will do? A take the A and find the slash. and get all values before the slash. So first slash is this, and Qatar it will printed. Okay, what will be the output of this? It will strip 2, means it will remove the 2 from this code. It will print a whole, means 1/01/04. It will print this. You can check it. You can check it. Print uh, len, the length of the remaining value, means 21/01/2024. Okay, and dot strip 2. Okay, it will print remove 2 from this and calculate the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will print 7, I think. Error. There's something we did the mistake. Double P R, double R. 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the 9? Let me check. It will strip 2. Okay, only strip, what strip do? Only remove 2 from starting and end. Only from starting and end. So remaining length of the remaining value. Okay, you need to print that. Now this question, these you need to run these. Without running, you can't do that. Okay, so for now, let me get the difficult one. This one. This one. Solve this because the video is going to stop. It is a limited time. I will record another video. Okay.